I'm going to prove to you that you are brilliant, and I'm going to start with this particular exercise. Have you been to the store and you've seen different color descriptions that are kind of creative and fun? Here are some descriptions of colors. Maybe you've seen descriptions for lipstick colors. For this exercise, you will be describing colors, only instead of colors from color swatches, as we've just seen, you're going to find actual images and come up with descriptive colors for those images. Let's work on this. Now that I'm in the assignment, I'm going to click Start the Assignment. Here's my text box, and I have all this space to play with. I'm going to start by putting my name and course information and word count here in the upper left-hand corner so that I make sure I don't forget that. And I'm going to give this a title, and I'm going to make a space where I can add my definitions that are required for this. I always do this because I am famous for forgetting my word count, so I highlight it so that I don't forget at the end when I'm through working. I'm going to add my definitions here and here, and now I'm ready to start with my colors. And we're going to be doing 30 of these. I could do 100. They're so much fun. Let's get started. I'm going to go up to my toolbar, and I'm going to insert media. I'm going to click. Do you see this big box? I'm going to click Unsplash, where I'm going to be able to find pictures that I can insert directly into my little text box that I'm working with. So let's say I want to find an image that has something to do with. Now remember, I'm going to be looking for an object, not just a color splash. I want to find an actual object. This is fun. Okay, so let's just say I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to click on it. You see where I clicked on it. I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to give it a title right here in this box. And I do want it to embed the image. And I'll click Submit. Got it named. I click Submit. And that put it in here, but oh my goodness, it's just enormous. So I'm going to click this. See these little toggles? I'm going to come down here and make it a nice size. And then next to it, I'm going to type my description. And remember, I want to give it a color. Right? Now, I just click Enter. Now I'm ready for number 2. Let's say that this time I want to find a colorful way to describe an object. So instead of just searching for red, I'm going to search for an object. So I repeat the process of upload an image. I clicked Unsplash, and here I am. This time I want to look for a crown that I can describe. Ooh, there's some silver crowns, some gold crowns. There's a blue. I'm going to find one that I like, and I'm going to find an interesting way to describe. I decided on this one, but instead of describing the object, I'm going to describe a concept. So watch how I do this. Do you see that? I didn't put the word crown in there. I just put Her Majesty's gold. Now close your eyes and picture that color of gold. You can kind of see it, can't you? Okay, so now I'm going to get ready. I'm going to submit this, and it's going to be huge again. So I click on it. I get the little toggles, bring it down so that it's the same size as the one that's above it, so it looks pretty. And I'm going to put that description right here. You see that? The important thing that we want to remember here as we create these 30 fabulous color descriptions is that we're doing more than just describing an object. We're describing a color concept. And when I've finished with my entire writing, I will see my word count right here, and I will simply add that to my name information at the top left of this page. And then I'll proofread everything and then click Submit Assignment. Remember, I want all of my images to be in. and make sure it all looks uniform and beautiful. I can't wait to see what your creativity comes up with for this